following the incident at the premises of the Chief Minister's office in Tura on the 24th of July 2023, wherein protesters had pelted stones at the particular building, causing injury to some of the police personnel, the CRPF jawans and others. The Meghalaya Police were able to arrest as many as 18 people, including leaders of the BJP Mahila Morcha, involved in the incident. Till the filing of this report, investigation is underway to gather further details on the same.